The Brompton electric folding bike is officially available in the United States, and now we can purchase it through some Brompton dealers. The e-bike is tempting, especially if you've already loved the iconic design with a compact and quick fold. The electric assist system brings the bike to the next level, but it also makes it more expensive than ever. In the United States, it costs approximately $3,500 to $3,650 depending on the configurations. We have compiled a roundup of some early reviews to see if it's worth the high price tag. The Verge calls Brompton Electric a very good electric folding bike, and it's suitable for bicycle commutes. It's small enough to be stored under desk and carried onto public transportation for free, so the pedal-assisted e-bike can replace a car in many occasions. However, the reviewer emphasized that he doesn't like the extra weight over the front wheel and the front hub motor pulling forward. It's fine for short to medium distances only. He complained about the insecure battery bag when riding on uneven roads, noisy motor, a slight delay in power delivery. Pros: great for short or medium commuting. Compact package after folded. Lightweight. Made by a well-established bike manufacturer. Cons: inelegant design choices, like small rolling wheels, big hinge clamp bolts. Non-intuitive power delivery. Joyless ride. Expensive. E-Bike Tips tested the Brompton and they appreciate the folding mechanism and neatly integrated motor. Despite adding the front hub motor and a battery bag, it has the same folding size and geometry to deliver a fast and stable ride. It's also pretty lightweight as compared to other folding e-bikes on the market. The author complained about the backwards compatibility of the bike as we have to buy the whole new bike to get an electric bike. There is no kit to retrofit existing Bromptons with the new motor system. Pros: classic Brompton design. Efficient hub motor. Lightweight. Cons: can't retrofit the motor to existing Bromptons. Power controls on top of the battery bag are difficult to reach. Cyclist loves almost everything about the e-bike, including the intelligent 250-watt motor, a long-lasting battery, and a long wheelbase for a smooth and stable ride. According to the reviewer, the only downside of this bike is the weight. It's quite heavy to carry up and down the stairs, and some people might not be able to lift it off the floor. Pros: intelligent motor works well with bottom bracket sensor to provide power assistance. Powerful enough to climb up some challenging gradients. Compact and easy fold. Battery could last more than a week. Cons: the heavy weight is difficult to manage. The Brompton Electric has become increasingly popular since its launch in Europe last year. Will it have success in the United States, and do you plan to buy the new e-bike? Leave a comment below and let us know.